name's Kyle. I have a YouTube channel called Thick Amish Media. Recently did a review on a Mustang Touring Deluxe seat, and the best part about the review was that it was against the Saddlemen road sofa. It was absolutely uncomfortable. The 5,000 mile break-in was completely a lie. Had 10,000 miles on it, and the stitching on the seat was just so uncomfortable after an hour of riding, and it was god awful. I switched to the Mustang Touring Deluxe, and I've got about 18,000 miles on the seat now, and I have no complaints of it whatsoever.
Man, I'm telling you guys, that is testimony right there of the Mustang seat. You guys hear me talk about it so very often, and you can hear this right here. What was your platform again?
Thick Amish Media on YouTube, spelled with 2 C's.
All right, go check him out because apparently he knows what he's talking about. You know what I mean? Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure, brother.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You're Ornery One, aren't you?
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you.
You too, man. I'm Bob.
Nice to meet you, Bob. Where you from?
Milwaukee.
Right on. You enjoying the rally? I am.
Yeah, man. You look like you are.
I'm always.
It's good seeing you around, man.
Thanks.